Hell yeah. Boom! A friend like SMU. Good, Josh. No, that's all you, baby. That's not in. I'm lagging. Hit it, Josh. Or Jack. Hit it now, Josh. Oh, what the fuck? Bounce again? Double touch? Dribble? Flick up?
I'm sorry.
No, it was for the play. Look at that. Play from Josh.
This is play for me.
No, he flicked it up for me.
What a team play.
Oh shit. I got
motion.
Oh, please!
Finish.
Yeah! Oh, fuck! I got bumped to oblivion. Woo! Holy shit. You guys go in. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I pitched it.
Blocked it. Woo! Okay. No. Oh, look at that. Look at that shot. Oh, hit it. No! Fuck! Patient off the wall. Oh! Whoa! Bro, I'm a defensive unit this game. Jack hit it. Jack hit it again. Hit it again. Someone. Oh shit. Get back. Off the wall.
Oh my god. I saved it.
Uh-oh. I accidentally pitched it back in.
You just made things so much worse, brother.
I got.
Oh my god.
Not in.
Oh shit. Kind of mishit it there. I had to just boom it across the.
I got it.
He was the best guy around.
What about the people he
Go, Jack, go.
murdered?
What murder?
This is sport, This is sport, This is sport, This is sport. Ice on my body, I'm the coolest.
Yeah!
What a fucking play, Josh. Look at this shit.
Josh is crazy with the assists. He hit it like right. Oh, he dodged. I got bumped. Okay. I did not know you were going for that.
Noah, you just bumped the shit out of me.
Yeah, well, I didn't know you were
Save
going to be fucking there. I got. I don't got. Josh, all you?
Jesus, Noah. What? I thought you had it, so I waited a bit. Noah!
Okay. What? It's working.
Really
Josh
not.
hit it. Jack to you. I got.
Again.
Oh, hit it again.
All these niggas talking about them switches, chopper, cane, automatic, red flag, you know the business. Pop his ass, we drop his ass.
Yeah! I got it. Oh, good shot. I got.
Oh, finish.
Josh, all you. I got. Oh, if you didn't flick that.
I could have jumped out of your way and then I got in your way, Josh.
Across? Oh.
Oh, are you serious? I started lagging right as I fucking did that aerial.
Shit.
Oh no.
Bumped him. Oh! Oh, I did not. Why did it look like that?
Oh my god, no.
Shit, my bad. What is that guy doing? Okay, he missed. Jack, go, 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 go. Flick it. Go, go, go. Hit it again.
Just so you guys know, whenever I'm on the wall, I'm always gonna try and like boost it right down the side.
How do you get a girlfriend?
Abracadabra, my bitch way better. My wrist out the motherfucker better. Fish parquet, I smoke on the face. Green diamonds, I fucked up my bladder. Motherfucker trend.
Head ball. Josh, stay back. Go, brother.
Noah, slam it, slam it.
Josh!
You could've went, Josh.
I got.
Hit it left, hit it left.
Okay.
Stop and pressing the dead. I'm gon' make it out. Promise I'm gon' make it out. Mama, I'm gon' make it out. Pussy, I'm gon' make it out. I ain't never had a doubt inside me. And if I ever told you that I did, I'm fucking lying. Can you feel that?
Yeah! So let's go!
That fire.
What is he? To you? I got it. Uh-oh. Not bad.
Because I panicked.
Oh?
Oh, that almost worked.
That's alright. I got. Oh, the pitch! Oh!
That was on target too.
Yeah, that was awesome. Uh-oh. I got. Ooh! Yeah, that worked. And then look at this.
When the Southside couldn't win the list, shot at my best. I got it, sending me fees, make a little nigga.
Fucking casual than ranked.
Yeah.
Ooh! Wait!
Chill, you can't even come to the crib. I was outside in Atlanta, so she don't even know where I live.
Break.
Ooh! Oh, go in.
I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit.
Oh! Dude, we keep like hitting off each other and it's kind of working. Flick it.
Oh.
I'm precious to you. How could you? I suppose it's because deep in my heart, I hate you, girl.
Cross. I got fucking bumped.
I hit it. Oh, that's just it. Oh, wait.
You gotta get high like this. You gotta get high like me. You gotta get high like this.
Bro, I can't wait for the Christmas season. Bro.
Got it.
Your reaction to being the oldest player in the league again.
Oh! Bro, just look at this air. I thought I would fly. Oh. Stole the boost. Fuck.
I am across the field right now.
Oh, I got cooked.
I don't got. Oh, wait, he missed.
I got. Okay, no. No.
I got bumped.
Oh!
Yeah, that's right.
Good
That's
goal.
right. That's right. What else am I supposed to do? I couldn't reach it.
I'm on Melrose. She tatted my name on her titties. Yeah, you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Sit back counting those doors, I was raised in the borrow. She
got. What is that guy doing?
What? Okay, that was just straight up lucky, alright.
Oh! Not in. Back to middle.
Oh my god, what a save.
I'm in like a rule 1 type situation here.
So it's just a 2v2?
Yeah. He's like humping me. Look at this. Yeah!
No, I cooked him. Thanks, bro. Thanks, Josh. You purposely turned and hit me. You literally look like you purposely did it, bro. Turn around and score, baby.
This is where our gameplay
Where I
starts
got
to
this, guys.
deteriorate. We lose. Wait, I got. Check this out. Redirect. Oh.
What?
No. I hit it right at him. Fuck.
I just got
Fuck. I'm so sorry, Josh. I let you down. Wait. I'm gonna bump this guy. I missed the.
What? What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Alright, my biggers, let's go. My biggers, my triggers.
My trigger, no liquid movement. Alright. I thought you got it, dude.
I got demoed.
Oh, I pinched it all the way across the entire map.
Holy shit, yeah, you did. Oh, fucking Santa Claus. Fuck you, you fat goober.
No, you just download them on the online store.
How about I touch you in the online store?
Oh my god, I just fucking flashed myself. Give me a second, okay?
Fucking leaving. Oh, I'm lagging again.
Hit it!
Did I hit it?
Yeah.
Oh, I did?
You are not lagging, bro. You're hitting it perfectly.
Well, not anymore.
I'm in the field with cleats, see my jeans, I kill boys. Me and my niggas with G's, step on bitches, we treat doors.
I love a gentle woman.
Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
Oh, see you, Jack, baby.
Yeah.
This is sport. This is sport. This is sport. This is sport.
Oh!
Ninja!
Boom. Oh, you baby. Jack?
Passion up a miles away.
Yeah! Oh, the fake into me?
I'm having it and go, go, go. I guess I'm
Go right. Oh, wait, I got. And then he hit it! Woo! Yeah! Wait, wait.
Oh, who's first? That's my thing.
Oh, Josh with the fakie.
Oh, me!
Oh. Jumping over you? Okay. I got.
Okay, Grumpy had a blunder there.
Uh-oh. Jack, all you. Alright. I got it. That's what it sound like when we're recording.
Just oh!
Oh fuck, he's still the
Still the
Jack, why are you flying in? What is wrong with you?
Anne Frank's alive.
No, she's not. She got fucking one pumped by the fucking Nazis.
Alright. I thought that was Helen Keller.
Are you fucking stupid? Helen Keller's the blind and deaf lady.
Am I insane?
The same? No, Anne Frank was just a Jew.
Why did you say that? Why did when he said that something had so much hate behind it? Oh my god! That is the craziest save of my life. Oh, that's a goal. Never mind the miss. Wait, I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah, wait. They're gonna act like I have no boost, but I do have boost. Yeah!
Poor save.
You're lucky that Jack got back.
I got it.
Oh, what a shot!
And I made up for it again. I'm gonna carry you right fucking.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, baby. Alright. Bitch!
Oh shit!
Cowby! Oh. wait.
Vindicated!
Get away from me. Oh!
I almost launched
No,
myself
no.
on that roof.
Wait, Josh, relax. Just calm down. Bitch! Oh. Really? How do you have another bomb?
Let go of me, you foul beast!
Bitch!
Oh, oh no! No! Ah!
Yeah!
Banana build.
Ah!
Did you already just lose?
Yes, dude!
There you go. That was a quick round.
Get out. Check this shit out. Oh, I missed. No!
Super gravity punch! Oh. Who keeps shocking me, bro? Hey! Bitch.
Yeah, knock me out before you could even do anything.
I have stuff that I have some things that need items, but
My boomerang's supposed to fly straight. That's not straight.
oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh! Oh my god!
Dude.
Oh shit! No! No! God damn it! You're fucking strong! All right, that's great. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Dude, how do you throw me so far every time? Whoa!
Yeah, you can like launch yourself into it.
I don't think the item that I got is this effective when there's only two other.
It's gonna land on you, brother.
What's gonna land on me? Oh shit. Thanks for the save. Throws him over.
No! No! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bitch!
Ah! No!
Yeah, my boomerang actually did something. Yeah.
No!
Bitch!
Let me out! Please.
Ouch.
Oh.
Wait. Oh! Wait, no. Climb! It would fucking climb! No. Oh.
And stay down! Oh, fuck. The hell's my gravity punch at?
There it is. I hate you!
I had
It just like cuts out. It just cuts out every time you do that. Captain Boomerang!
No! I can't lose.
I'm not trying to grab you! God damn it! Grab this!
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck? My boomerang just keeps flying.
Look at Josh. No. My thing's gonna wear. It's gonna wear out. It's gonna wear out. I'm seeing red. Oh no! No! You guys need to die. No.
Ah! Wait! Help! Just help! He's in a mad frenzy!
Die! Die!
Boomerang!
Die! Die! No, you can't end like this! Let go of me, you fool! No! No! I'm dead! I'm dead!
We both grabbed him.
No!
Boomerang! Oh. Wait! Ah! Oh! We just jousted, bro. Wait, I'm not getting up.
Got him!
Oh.
Look at you, Josh. Look at you.
Boom! That didn't do shit.
Run, Josh. That's right. I'm the wiener.
Oh! Guys, let's pose for the camera.
No, fuck you.
Ugh. Oh, I'm showing my ass. Oh, look at you guys.
Yo, look at that pose.
Look at me.
Huh? I don't know. I do have the Patrick shorts.
Ah!
You ain't fooling nobody, bitch.
Wait, please.
Oh my god, you're like actually completely invisible. Josh, where the fuck is he?
Hey. How you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, get the fucking lever, dude.
No. Oh, wait! Wait, how am I alive? No! Wait! Ah! Man, I'm dead. Oh, what a snipe! Oh.
Yeah!
My banana peel. Oh, you're back. Brokeback Mountain. Bareback Mountain.
There's no way.
I can't see. Do I have the shovel? Oh no, I don't know. Oh, wait! Oh!
Oh my god, it's huge!
Okay, Josh's so dead. Hello. Oh shit!
You knocked me out.
I'll take that from here.
No, I'll take it actually.
No, I'll take it.
No. Wait, wake up. Wake up. It's the first of the month. No. Wait. Get up. No!
Did I win? Yeah!
Why?
Careful with that lollipop, bro. You can see. Oh my fuck!
Oh no! Go eat some more fish, dumbass shark.
The fuck you just call me? Huh? We're elephant. Fucking land dweller. Fucking herbivore.
Shut up, you carny.
Shut up. We don't like your herbivore kind out here. Let's teach him who's boss, Josh. Okay.
Swim! Oh, elephants are known for swimming.
I'm so fucking dead. Wait. I'm alive, baby!
Oh shit.
Get that shit away from you. No!
No, how are you still alive?
I warm up.
Oh, I'm lagging.
I don't care!
Like, I'm lagging like really bad. What is happening? Am I gonna walk off the map?
Oh shit! Serious punch. Bitch. So you can! Oh!
He's invisible, Noah.
I know a way to deal with him.
I saw you. I saw the little particles underneath you.
Come here. Nah, only you. Right, bitch. You're not invisible any longer. Bitch!
Oh, what the fuck?
He's got a gun!
No. Oh my god. Oh god, that's a big bomb.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near?
Fuck off. Fuck off. That's a big bomb. Oh shit! Wait. Bitch! Come on! No.
You think you're safe, brother?
Uh-huh.
Ah, that bomb did not work.
Yeah.
No, don't touch me.
Holy shit! Off the top ropes. Wait.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. You fucking. Josh, you fucking manhandled me. Like, how do you just throw me like that?
Watch the rock. Oh shit! Oh, hello, brother.
Hey, man. Man.
Whoa! Holy shit! Do you have it double upgraded or just? No!
I'm Muhammad Ali.
Josh, do you have frost punches?
Oh shit!
Oh fuck!
Oh, Josh died.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to type.
Let me show my big bitties at you.
Really looking.
I don't know.
Fuck you
That's why I
smiling
picked
about?
them.
Gravity punch. Oh! Holy shit. Whoa!
I just made myself laugh. Fuck me, bro.
Wait, don't do it.
Ah.
Gravity punch.
I don't even know why I did. I think I sounded so funny because no, your mic. I go so hard and it sounded so loud. That was so loud.
No, it's just because you fucking turned on me and just like, uh-oh. Wait. Oh, I'm alive. Let's go. All right. Holy shit! Stop! Stop! Stop it!
I have the double drop.
Frost punches! Frost punches! Bitch. Oh shit, what the fuck, Jack? Wait, Josh, let me do this.
No, please.
Oh, I knocked your hat
I
off.
have a family. I have 2 other piggy brothers. One has a straw house and one with a twig house. Help!
Oh!
Fuck you, cracker.
What the fuck?
Oh shit! I forgot how fun.
He has it! He has it! No! Oh! Oh!
That did not work. I don't know what's going on.
Ow! Ouch! Oh! Let go of me. Oh shit! Oh!
Don't hit me, mate. Don't hit me, mate. I'm juking you. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, I'm cooking some bacon, baby.
Oh god. Oh god, he's really fast.
You maniac. How? Isn't the wind supposed to fucking...
Bro.
Oh! Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Wait. Oh!
He's so fast.
Holy shit! He's fucking me up. Yes!
No. No. No.
Hell yeah, baby.
No. I was hanging on by
That's
one
a
hand,
cool looking.
bro.
Uh-oh. He has a spinach!
Alright.
Holy shit! Mission survive. Oh! Drop kick me. Holy shit, Jack went flying.
That's because of my drop.
Vince!
Oh shit!
Oh, fuck!
No!
Oh, come on. I'm dead.
I just got turned to bacon, bro.